Yeah, wait, we are doing something. I'll come back there.
Okay, sir.
Search this US Army parade. Next, after that, so many photos will come. Right? So, in that, you can do the right click on any photo. Like, suppose this is the one, any photo, you do the right click. Okay, any photo, you do the right click. And you can see there is called copy image address. Copy image address. Copy that. It will give the complete URL of the photo. Copy image address and come to the page and paste under the text box. Under the text box. So this will become complete URL of which one? Photo. Photo will be somewhere else. Your system is now connected with the net. So once you come to that page, photo will come here. So this is the complete URL of base 64. It is an encrypted URL. It's called base 64 URL. Okay. Next, after that, I'll click on post blog. Post blog. Now what will happen is data will not go there. We have to look into the console what is happening. So we'll go to the console, and in console you can see when I have clicked on post blog, it is showing this URL. Right? This is called post title. Then after that details is of this many lines. Then photo. Under the photo you can see this is complete URL of the photo. This is complete URL of the photo. Okay, so this complete URL, if you open directly in the browser, it will display one photo. Okay, it will display one photo. So first you copy which code you have not completed.
Sir, post blog HTML. Yes, sir, this one only.
Now obviously we have to increase the speed little.
Yes, sir, I have taken photo already.
This is HTML only, no? I have written so fast, so slow. I have not written too fast. I have written too slow. Other people reply 3-4 times completed. And you have not completed still. Okay, so I have given you one tips in the beginning when you join the class. I told you daily, morning and evening, open your laptop and open any book, open any newspaper, and whichever the keyboard you are using same keyboard and mouse, type in your system Notepad++ 500 words morning and 500 words evening. Okay, in 1 week speed will become super fast. So still you should do that.
Yes, sir.
Because it is not one-to-one classroom. Many people are there, so we have to follow everyone. So if you feel like you are lacking access, you are slow, increase your speed of writing the code. For that, you might have to practice morning, evening. You are practicing. I'm not saying you are not practicing, but start typing some more thing in the system so that hand will be more practiced and it will be working little fast. Okay, so this data is coming. Now see, if you are confused what is that URL and how it is coming, no problem. Refresh your page once and write here blog title something. What is finance? Okay. Write inside something as a title and write here 5.jpg. 5.jpg and save. Look at here. Inside the URL, inside this one, which one? Console. It's a creating object where title is the one property, what is finance is the value, details is the property, text is the value, photo is the property, 5.jpg is the value. Okay. Come next. Next we need to do so many things so that this value will go to the backend. So first you need to find out the URL where you want to send this value. In previous example you can see you have a URL localhost:1234/blog list. So we need to send the data to this URL only. That is called blog list. So copy this URL and come here and write let new blog. Not new blog, already are given. You write call URL equal to, if this one as a URL. URL is ready. Now come down. While posting the data to server, we have to create another variable. In that variable, you have to specify what you are posting, where you are posting, and how you are posting. Okay, that is called configuration for your page function. Say write call post option equal to first you have to mention call headers, small headers, curly bracket open close, inside write call content hyphen type content hyphen type JSON, not JSON, application slash JSON. Application slash JSON. We are specifying to the server that the content I am going to send you, it will be in the form of JSON. Then method will be post. Method will be post. We are sending the data in the secure manner. Then after that, we have to specify the data, what we are sending. In a property called body. In body, we are sending. In body, we are sending JSON.stringify. Inside that, you pass this new block. That is called body is a predefined property where you are going to post the data from front end to back end. But since the back end is running on JSON server, back end want JSON data, you have created here one object as a new book, new blog. So new blog at this line, you are changing from array to JSON. Array to which one? JSON. Array to JSON. Write it. Keyword should match properly. Okay. Body JSON.stringify new blog. Correct. Body tag, in that what will add? JSON.stringify which one? New blog. Now the data is ready to post to server. Okay. Now right below fetch function, under the fetch function, you have to mention the URL as well as we have to mention the what and how we are posting. So post option variable will be second variable. In that, what we are posting, that is called details of a blog. Where we are posting, URL will specify. How we are posting, the method will decide. Okay. Next, after that, dot then you will follow response.json dot then again blog info alert below call, or instead of alert, create a MSG variable. New blog posted with the ID colon blog info.id, blog info.id. Then after that, document dot get element by id, which id message dot inner text equal to message, message dot inner text equal to msg. So this is the complete set of code that you required every time to post the data to backend server. This much. This variable value can be different, URL can be different, content type, method, JSON stringify remains same, fetch also you can use almost similar everywhere, variable name you can change. Save it. After that, we will create the ID below. Okay, written. Now come once. You have to create this ID. Which ID? Message. It's not exist inside the page. It will throw the error. So after the H1 tag, you need to write a paragraph with align equal to center and ID equal to message, ID equal to message. Let's look into the page now. Blog post. Now I'll write here. It's a holy day. Karnataka on which date 10th May 2023. It's holiday tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, election is there. Copy image address content. Go to your page. Post in this text box. And click on save blog. It will say new blog posted with the ID called particulars. New blog posted with the ID called 345. If you go to the recent blog, you will get the list of recent posted blog. It's posted. So reflecting here. Now in a recent blog page, the recent post blog should come on top. What we have posted now, it should come on the top. So what we will do for that, in the blog page, you can see, you have a page function here. Page function, get blog. After that, dot then you have applied. Then you have written blog array.map. So before running the map function, blog array.reverse. Apply a function, then apply the map function. Blog array.reverse dot map. So array will reverse. Array will reverse. Array will right. See now, last posted reverse, this one is blog is coming on the top. Just refresh the page, you will find recent blog will come on the top. Yeah, photo I think we can increase the width a little, will look more better. Yeah, given here no height, width. Height is okay, width keep 100%. 100%. Height 300 is okay, keep the width 100%. It will take 100% of first column. Take 100% of something like this. Post again some more blog. Now I will share you this code. So first in blog.html, you need to change the width to 100%. Modify the width to how much? 100%. 100%. After that, apply here the blog array.reverse function. Apply the reverse function. log array.reverse we applied. Now look into the blog file. In blog file, the function we have written, if anyone is facing the error, this code you can take. I am sharing you in chat. This code you can take. I shared you in the chat. Check other people, whoever was present yesterday, the page should work for everyone. Unlock it. They got removed after closing the CMD. Whatever we post, permanent. Server if it is stopped, then how data will come here? If bank server will be down, will your ATM machine will work? After reaching till here, you are asking out of control question. Correct? Page is closed, why not output is coming? If anyone asks, I have closed the page, why my output is not coming? Correct? If anyone will say, I stop the server, why I am not able to log in? Correct or not? I lost my phone, why I am unable to call from my phone? Correct or not? My balance is closed. My balance is zero, why I am not able to take money from ATM? Those all are what is a relevant question. Okay? Those all are called relevant question. What you are asking that I saw that. Okay, you want me to test that? See, this is my CMD. I will close that. Okay? Close no? I'll refresh my server. I will not get data. I will not get data. Again, I have to go to where? Yes. And we have to start the JSON minus server space minus minus watch file name dot JSON space minus minus port space 1234. Okay. Now server is running. If I go here, refresh my page, I should see the data. See now here, after closing the server, we started and the data is coming or not. Right? That is called permanent. Understood? That is called a permanent. You will ask where is the data? Open your JSON file. You will come to know where is the data. Open your JSON file. You will come to know where is the data. That is all data.json file. This all are yesterday data. If it is temporary, then it will be removed yesterday only. It is a permanent, then only it is here. We have added one record in the last. Is the holy day in Karnataka something? Tomorrow morning, get up, open this file and see that the content is there or not. It is file system here. If you write inside, it will be there only. Where it will go.
Sir.
Okay. Come next.
Sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, I have completed the code, but I need to see in the blog HTML. Anything is today we have done in HTML part in blog.html.
Which file?
Blog.html.
Blog.html.
Yes, sir.
I have told you that day, that time to write this one. Which one? Reverse function. Blog
Yes,
reverse.
Yes, sir, that I have written.
Then data is not coming. Here, data is not coming.
Yes, sir. I need to check, sir. I am checking now.
Okay. Now you post 1 2 more and then see whether right after starting the JSON server, it look like the live server is stopped. We need to restart again. After stopping the JSON server, live server was stopped. So need to restart again. Okay. Data appear here. Next, after that, I'll write here one more. Where is Tirupati in India? Correct? It will become a GK question. The people who are far from the Karnataka, correct? Ask from them where is the Tirupati. They will ask what is the meaning of Tirupati. Correct or not? This becomes a what? GK question. So where is the Tirupati? We wrote something. Now find out a photo from Tirupati Balaji photo. The Tirupati Balaji, I was there for 2 times. First time it was very good experience. Second time there was a very bad experience. For nearly 14 hours, we were locked inside the locker. That day some VIP people were supposed to come. They have locked us inside the big hall. Tea was coming in the tap. Tap is there, no? In house, bathroom will have the tap, right? Tea will come in that only. Biscuit will come in big bucket. Okay. For nearly 11 hours, they have logged us. Okay. Today evening, somewhere 8 o'clock, the people were saying, "Come, this is the way to go to Balaji. This is the way to go to Balaji." People are going inside. Once one hall will be packed, lock the door. Okay. Again, next, this is the door to go to the bar. People will go outside. That room people will pack, again lock the door. Okay. Softly, professionally locking the people. Okay. Right. Then people will be in trouble, no, in night. Right. People have not come with the clothes, kambal, blanket and all. And it was very windy, cold air. Second time beat bad experience. He said, sorry, sir. Next time I will come with proper plan. Okay, so I did. See now, photo is coming. Now your database is the data.json file. Data.json file, what you are storing the data, it is working like a MongoDB. Okay. There is one database called MongoDB. In MongoDB also data will be stored in this format only. Which format? JSON format. Correct? I'll show you now. I have installed my system. MongoDB, Mongo Compass. This is their GUI part. From here we can see the structure of table and organizing. Look at here. First you look into your this file, JSON file. You can see the data is organized in which format? Object format, JSON format, correct? When you look into my compass, right? If I go here, under the library, I have a book database. See here. Then see, here also data is stored in which format? JSON format, correct? So the JSON server what you are using, it is like a duplicate of this one. Which one? MongoDB. Here data also, there is no concept of SQL. It's no SQL system. Okay. See here, how to search. You have to type the field name and you have to put the value. After that, search will happen. From where? From the JSON file. Same way we can search from here also. Our JSON file we have, we can search from here also. Based on ID, based on title, based on details, based on any of the fields. Okay, come next. So this data is getting posted. Not posting. Your JSON server is running. Why it will not post? Look at this point. If you have the posting problem, this line you should see. URL check proper. Headers. What you are written? A small or capital? Headers is small or capital? Content type? You are sending the data to backend. You are specifying the data will be in JSON format, correct? If JSON data will not go in proper JSON format, your backend will refuse to capture the data. Okay, so we have to write that exact keyword. Uppercase, lowercase will not play the much important role here. Content type, it should work small also. Post should work small also. But JSON is a rear keyword, rear class name. It should be uppercase complete. JSON.stringify. This is time. Now go to that file. Type anything. Anything. This is ABCD, right? Below also write ABCD. Second one. Inside also write ABCD. We want post now. You write it. Step. Go to console. Console. Left side. Console should be this. See, so error here. Or say undefined glory not about the function name. Say comes what is on realizing able to say this is for say only. Inside the say what is the problem
Sir,
line number 11. Details document the along with the neighbor. Do wrong with this saying that is not exist. You are trying to consider the neighbor. Type anything again. Any text. You can put now. See later. Line number. Option O is capital. Post option O is capital. Fourth here what we are written. Fourth option. This is the fourth. The spelling is wrong.
sir,
Go S3. Correct. Suggestion. Suggestion is the mixed one. Enter anything. Anything. Okay. Go to the blog list, the recent blog. Photo you will give proper URL. Okay, so now hope you are able to save and list.
sir.
Next, tell me, sir.
In the output, in the photo URL, we need to paste for URL, sir.
You are search on internet photo.
Yes, sir.
Any photo search on internet and do right click. After doing right click, there will be called image address.
Yes, sir.
Copy image address. That you can copy and paste under the text box. Paste under the text box here. Right? That will be the image URL.
Yes, sir.
Now come how to remove that. So first you need to go to the blog.html file, and where you are creating the blog list. That function we have called getBlog. Under getBlog, after the image, add one data equal to data plus, open a p tag, close the p tag. P tag I have written so that it will break the line. Inside that, write a button called delete, close the button, close the button, on button click, call a function called 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵𝖃, and in that you have to pass the blog.id. ID will be auto-generated by server. Blog.id. ID will be auto-generated by server. Blog.id. Then You can write just below a function let 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖐 equal to receive the ID and call here the URL let URL equal to in URL slash you have to add the ID. URL slash ID you have to mention. After that, you need to write let post option again. Post option equal to we no need to mention everything, only we need to mention the method. Under the post option we need to mention only the method as a delete. Method as a which one? Delete. After that you will write below. After that you will write below again fetch function URL slash post option. After that dot then a response will come from server. A response dot JSON if we do dot then response dot JSON dot then the result will not come anything because particular record is deleted. Then server will send you the empty response. You can write here simple alert blog deleted successfully and again call the get blog to reload the list. To reload the list. This is going to help you to delete a blog. This will be as a permanent delete. It will be permanently deleting from the data.json file. It will be deleting the record permanently from data.json file. Everything is same. Post method remains same. Only instead of sending only URL, you are sending URL slash plus ID. This you don't forget. Slash plus ID, if you forget, then it will not delete. Okay, slash plus ID. So in the blog list, it will check a particular ID, and as soon as the server will see the method called delete, particular one will get deleted successfully. Okay, hope done. English is happening. See, this line. Have you added the slash plus in the last? Then it will delete to that here. I'll go to the last one and try to delete a Java complex. Block deleted successfully. See, that one is gone. Is EVM? What is EVM? Deleted. And see, that is 2 is gone from the last. It will get removed from here. Page will be reload and it will get deleted. Here you have to pass on click equal to del block.id. Deleting for one person. Other people also should say yes, no. I will share this to file. Both files is available in your chat.